Hi. So I'm in the glass house again, and we're prepping the bales for growing into, or sowing into even. You can use them as seed beds as well. So I've got some nitrogen-based fertiliser, which I'm going to scatter on top of the bale here. See if I can get that in shot. There we go. Yay! So generous portions of that. Spread that about a bit, because I'm trying to concentrate on giving you a view but not being able to see what I'm pointing the camera at. And then we finish that off with a bit of a water. I'm a bit more careful when I do it, when I'm not holding the camera in the other hand. But essentially that adds a bit of nutrient to the straw bale. And then I use about a 5 litre can of water just to help it soak in and soak the bale. Job's a good one.